Hello guys, welcome back to Innovative Design Tutorial. So guys, today we will create this 2D sketch of a spanner in AutoCAD. Then later we will convert into 3D sketch. So it is good example for beginners who want to learn AutoCAD from basic to advanced level. So it is very helpful and necessary for those students who will just dream to work in design field. So we will create now we see the every procedure of this spanner design. So I hope you will enjoy it. Thanks for watching. So here is time to create this sketch. So go to the just rotate like this, and now here is time to create this sketch. So go to the menu bar, select this one, select new. Here we will select part. Okay, now we change the 2D drafting and annotation. We will change the workspace to drafting and annotation. So first we create the polygon. So type POL and it will ask side, so we will keep it 6 number. Now we select inscribed circle, select any point and like drag offside. Here we will on ortho mode, and here we will keep the dimension 17 mm. Now here just zoom this workspace. Now again go to the circle diameter, select the center point, and here we will keep it 60 diameter. Okay, now we select this line, select this center point, create line, make sure it is ortho mode on, and give the distance 129. Okay, now again go to the polygon, type POL for polygon. Here we will keep the number of side 5, and now we just select inscribe circle and make this length 15. Okay, now again we go to the circle diameter, select this point and make it 40. Okay, so here is just time to make the offset. So press OFF for offset, and we will keep the offset of 20 mm. So we will from this center point, so we will keep the value 10 mm. Select this one, and now here we just select this center line and drag upside. We will keep the offset creating 10 mm offside. Select this one and just drag below side, so we will keep 10 mm. So overall the length will be 20 mm. So again we just make the one offset more of 10 mm, so we will keep it 5 mm and 5 mm. So press OFF for shortcut command for offset. Okay, now here we will keep it make the value 5 mm, select 5 mm, and we just press from this center point upside and below side. So we will keep the create this offset of 10 mm from center point. So click upside, now select the center line and click below side. So here we will create offset of 10 mm and 20 mm. So it's time to make the trim unwanted portion of this sketch. So go for TR. TR means trim. So just press TR, trim, enter. Now just enter one more. Okay, and select and drag like this, so it will trim this one. Again select this one, press with left key of mouse and just drag where we want to trim. Okay, so here it's time to just delete this one. So we just select this all sketch at once time, and now press delete key from this your keyboard, so it will be deleted. Now again select this sketch also separately as you like. Select this one. Now we press with delete key from your keyboard. So we will create and just delete this unwanted sketch. So here it's time to make the fillet, this one 15 mm to offside corner. So it's better to use tan radius command. So we will just go to the circle, and here we will select tan radius. So it will ask first tangent of this circle point, so we will select here, and now we select this line, and it will ask fillet, so we will make it fillet of 15 mm. Now enter. So here create this tan radius fillet. So it is basically huge in many industry like this one. So again go to the tan radius. Now select this corner of this circle and this line, and here we will pick the value 15. Now enter. So again we just like we will create also tan radius. Select this one, select this line, corner line, and this circle, and we will keep the value 15. Okay. Now again we just do one more. So again go to the tan radius. Okay. Now we select this corner edge of this line and this circle, and here we will keep the value 15 mm. Enter. Okay, now here is time to trim this this outer circle. So TR for trim. So we press with your keyboard TR, and it is a shortcut key for trim. So select this one, TR for trim. Now press enter, and now here we just select this one and trim this, like this one also, this one, and the last one. Okay, so here it just trim this also. This one and this line also. Okay, so here we will just trim out this portion. So it's time to make center line. So first we create just center line. So make sure your ortho mode is on, and now here we select this line, and here we will search the midpoint. So this is the midpoint. So just not click, just go upside, and here we will create this line. Okay, so here it's time to create offset of 35. So go to the offset, select 35, select this line and make it right here and left this side. We will create this one. So again we will make the trim. So go for trim, select this line, this one, this one. Now we select this one also. So here just we select and delete it. Now it's time to make the fillet. So go for F for fillet. Here it will ask radius, so we will keep it 5 mm. Now we select this line and this line. We will again select this one. So fillet will be create. Select this line, press with enter key. So we will use similar command. If you just use multiple times of same command, so we will use press enter key. Okay, now here we will just give the dimension. So it will, the distance will be 129 from this center to the center. Now this line, go to the linear dimension, select this one, and this one will be 20 mm. Again select this one will be 10 mm. Okay, now go to the circle diameter. This one will be 60 diameter. Okay, now here this one it will be 40 diameter. Okay, again go to the this one align, select this one, this point, it will 14.72. again with press enter key and like create this one and this point, it will 15. So here it's just time to create 3D. So go to the annotation, select 3D modeling, and now here we will change into, just we select shaded with edge, and view we will keep SW isometric. Okay, so go to the press pull command and now select this one and just above side make the extrude of 4 mm. Okay, so here again go to the press pull command and just select this one and make it, we will make the press pull of this one. Just first we will rotate, so go to the 3D orbit and it will be rotated this one like this. Again we will go to the press pull command, select this one and just press below side, we will keep it 4 mm also. Okay, now again go to the press pull command, select this one, make it 5, this one make it also 5 mm above side. Now again go to the press pull command, select this face and drag upside 5 mm. Okay, select this one, make it 5. Okay, so here you can see this is the 3D view of 2D sketch converted into 3D modeling. So this is the basic tutorial for this AutoCAD. So we can just rotate and see the every direction of this spanner. So guys, I hope you will enjoyed our tutorial. Thanks for watching. And just wanted to see, we can see the different type of view which are generally found in AutoCAD.